many people ask me questions regarding whether I should take supplements, and if I want to go for supplements, which one should I take, how much should I take, and lots of queries when I am in the office or something like that. Like, we are corporate guys, we work in a corporate office, we age, I age between 30 to 35 years, and there are people of that similar age asking me the frequent questions: how much supplement do I take, what do I do, how do I work out? So the basic answer here is, these days everybody, a newbie, or if a newbie hits a gym, what happens is there are trainers, so-called trainers, who come up and guide you to buy such and such supplement of such and such companies, and they also guide you regarding how much of supplementation you need, do you need this or that. So most of the guys from who ask me questions regarding this are the guys who fall into obese category. Now trust me guys, if you are working in a corporate office and there is no diet, there is nothing to follow, you're working 9 hours a day sitting at a laptop or a computer writing codes or doing analysis or whatever. Now most frequent question is, say there's a friend of mine who came to me, he weighs similar height of mine, 5'10". He comes up to me and he says, I want to lose 20 kgs. My trainer recommended me to buy BCA supplements, whey protein and a fat burner. So the question is, do you need that? Do you actually need that much of supplementation? Also adding multivitamins, calciums and those kind of stuff. So what that guy is doing is, he's probably robbing you of your money, hard-earned money. Now, you should understand the basics first. You should know what is your BMI, your BMR. BMR is nothing but your basal metabolic rate. Now, what is basal metabolic rate? Now, there are plenty of tools on the internet. Just go ahead and type BMR. You get a site, BMI and BMR calculators out there. Find out your BMR. What is BMR? If you're lying down, you're doing nothing in a day, no activity, you're just lying down on your bed like you're sick or something, it is the minimum calories your body needs to survive. So basically, if you're doing nothing, your body needs so many calories. For example, my BMR is somewhere around 1744, 1750, say 1750, round figure. Now, if I do nothing, I need those calories. 1750 calories is what I need to survive. Now, if I am consuming, say, 2000 calories, and if I do a cardio of a 30-minute cardio every day, mile jogging and a walk, so I would lose around 200, say 150, 200 calories here. So add that up, that is becoming 1900 calories. And if I do a little bit of walking and all, so basic after requiring 1750 calories, I do some activities which is say around 500 calories, so it totals up to 2200 calories. And if I am consuming 2000 calories a day, so I am in a caloric deficit. Caloric deficit is nothing but I am consuming less calories, my expenditure is more, my intake is less. Now, if my intake is less, I'll be losing weight. I'll be losing weight. Simply, I'll be losing weight. So I have a deficit of 150 calories a day. In that contrast, I would be losing weight. It's that simple. Now, to further advance it, I don't want to lose my muscle weight. I love those muscles. So what I do? So I ensure that most of my calories are from protein, so that it preserves my muscle when I am on caloric deficit. So that is one of the basics that goes around. Now, how do you manage that? Do you need supplements? All I see is people buying tons of supplements, whey protein and everything, and they do not correct your diet. They don't sacrifice on their diet, or what do you say, they don't maintain a proper diet. What it ends up is, after 2 months they come and they say, I am gaining weight. Whey protein made me gain weight. Now, how is this possible? Obviously, it's a whey protein. It's a eatable thing. It has some calories. One scoop has generally 100 to 150 calories, in that range. Now, with your crappy diet, add 150 calories more. So, obviously, you would gain weight. You need to follow a certain diet. For example, go for the whole foods like oats. Just distinguish what is carbohydrates, what is protein, and what is fats. Pick up a source of carbohydrates, pick up a source of protein, and pick up a source of fat. For example, oat, brown rice, your sweet potatoes. These are good sources of carbohydrates. Try consuming complex carbs so it makes you full. Now, white rice is not a complex carbs. As soon as you eat it more because it gets digested quickly. Complex carbs takes time to digest. So consume more of complex carbohydrates. Eat a lot of protein. A lot of protein in the sense, you do not go ahead and consume a lot of whey protein. Please understand the fact, guys, supplement is a supplement. For example, when I'm writing an exam, there is a question paper, there is an answer sheet. Once I'm done writing the answers, if I'm full of that, I require a supplement. So supplements are nothing. It's just 5% of your diet. Primary is your diet. 5% is your supplement. Supplement won't do wonders for you unless you work for yourself. So you need to follow a good and a healthy diet. It doesn't mean that you go on a General Motors GM diet and follow some crash diet or something, and then you stop it and you bounce back. That is not. Do something which you can follow it. Live a lifestyle of it. Follow some clean steps. Okay, you say that you need to go out and you need to consume. You can do that once in a week as possible. But at least follow a certain clean diet for 6 days. Do your workouts, and then you can see what kind of supplements you need. If you ask me, I for past 1 year have not consumed any BCAAs, any fat burners, nothing. I just am using 1 or 2 scoops of whey protein, and obviously I'm following it up with a clean diet, and that is doing enough for me. I'm able to maintain my body leanness and my muscles and all. So now once there are a lot of people that who come by and then I'm taking such and such fat burner, it's not working for me, it's not working for me. How would it work? All the fat burners, whatever, those are stimulants. Fat burners are made of stimulants. Now those will work if you follow a clean diet, if you train intensely, you do your workout quite intense, obviously you would get results. And just do a clean diet, follow a clean diet, and slightly consume less of supplements, and you would see the results. So supplements do work if you work. If you require supplements, it's not necessary. Just don't blindly go and follow a trainer and saying that you need a BCA, you need a multivitamin, you need a fat burner. So if you consume those things and if you work out, if you take personal training from me, you are going to lose 10 kgs in a month. Crap. So if you like these kind of videos, just do give me a suggestions, put something in the comment section so that I can come up with more content. Thanks guys.